Hello viewers, our topic today is arithmetic progressions. Exercise 1.3, question 8. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. The second term is given and the third term is also given. We have to find the sum of the first 51 terms. The second term and the third terms and its values are given. Using these values, we have to form two equations. After that, solve these two equations. We will find the value of A and D, first term and the common difference. Using these values of A and D, we can calculate the sum of the first 51 terms of an AP. Solution. The second term is 14, third term is 18, second term is A2 is 14, third term is A3 is 18. Now the formula AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. So A2 is A plus 2 minus N minus 1, 2 minus 1 into D. A plus 2 minus 1 is 1 D. So A plus 1 into D is D. A plus D is, the value of A2 is 14. Take this as equation 1 and A3 is 18. A3 equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. A3 value is 18, substitute that value here, and A plus 3 minus 1 is 2 into D, 2D. This is equation number 2. Now let us solve these two equations. 18 equal to A plus 2D. This is equation number 2. Now let us change the sign. Plus A and minus A get cancelled. Opposite sign means subtract the values. 2 minus 1 is 1D. Put the greater number sign. Here greater number is 2 equal to opposite sign. Subtract 14 from 18. Put the greater number sign. Cancel minus on both sides of the equation. 4 equal to D. So the value of D is 4. Now substitute this value of D in equation 1. Equation 1 is A plus D equal to 14. So A plus D value is 4. Substitute that value. A is 14. Taking this plus 4 to the other side of the equation, its sign will change. So plus 4 will become minus what? 4. So 14 minus 4 is 10. Now the value of D is 4 and the value of A is 10. Sum of first 51 terms. The formula to find the sum of the terms is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 51th term is S51. 51th term is S51. So in the place of n, 51 is there. So 51 by 2. 2 into the value of A is 10 plus n is 51 minus 1. N value is 51. D is 4. 51 by 2. 2 into 10 are 20 plus 51 minus 1 is 50 into 4. 51 by 2. 20 plus 5 for the 20, write this 0 also. 51 by 2 into 200 plus 20 is 220, 110. 51 into 11, 51, 51. This 0, write this 0 here, 5610. So S51 is the sum of the first 51 terms is 5610 answer. Sum of the first 7 terms of an AP is 49. That is Sn value is given. S7 value is given as 49. And that of 17th term is 287. S17 is given as 289. Using these two values, we have to form the equations. After forming the equation, we have to calculate the value of A and D.